Royal Kludge RK61 stands out as a compact, affordable mechanical keyboard that's perfect for anyone seeking a minimalist setup without breaking the bank. At 60% of a full keyboard size, its tiny footprint makes it a top choice for small desks, portable setups, or even mobile device use. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, it delivers a host of features that cater to gamers, office workers, and casual users alike. One of the RK61's biggest strengths is its wireless connectivity. It supports Bluetooth pairing with up to 3 devices, allowing you to effortlessly switch between your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This multi-device capability adds convenience for users who are always on the move or working across platforms. The wireless functionality eliminates cable clutter, but if you prefer a wired connection, it still has you covered. Hot swappable switches are a game changer for this keyboard. Unlike traditional mechanical keyboards that require soldering to replace switches, the RK61 allows users to easily swap out switches to customize the typing feel or sound. This feature also enhances the keyboard's longevity, as you can replace malfunctioning switches without needing technical expertise. While the RK61 offers solid performance and customization options, it does have its drawbacks. The battery life, for instance, is on the shorter side, lasting up to 10 hours on a full charge. For heavy users, this means frequent charging, especially if you use the RGB backlighting, which can drain the battery faster. The build quality, though decent for its price, may not feel as premium as some higher-end keyboards. However, considering its affordability and feature set, these compromises are understandable. The RK61 is available in several variants, including options with or without RGB lighting and different backlighting colors. This variety allows you to choose a model that fits your preferences and budget. If flashy RGB effects aren't a priority, you can save even more by opting for a simpler version. Overall, the Royal Kludge RK61 is an excellent entry point into the world of mechanical keyboards. Its combination of compact design, wireless functionality, and customizable switches makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. While it has minor limitations, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses, solidifying its reputation as one of the best budget mechanical keyboards on the market today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.